Hey everyone, and welcome back for another deep dive. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any more deep dives just like this one. So, um, you know how everyone dreams about winning the lottery?
Yeah.
Well, I was at the store yesterday, just doing
Yeah.
my regular shopping,
Yeah.
and I saw this huge GE for the lottery. And I was like, oh man,
Oh, yeah.
what would I do if I won all that money?
It's funny how just seeing something like that can
Hopeful.
spark that daydream.
Yeah.
Like, what would I do? What's possible?
Yeah. Like that feeling of freedom to do whatever you want. Like
Yeah.
quit my job and never wake up at 6 a.m. again.
Exactly. It's that escape from the daily grind
Totally.
that I think is so appealing to people.
Okay, so first thing,
Yeah.
sleep in.
Yeah.
No more 6 a.m. alarms for me.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
But really, I'd probably start with something practical like
Oh, yeah.
buying a house for my parents.
Oh, that's nice.
They deserve it.
Oh.
And, maybe finally open that little cafe I've always talked
On
about.
the cafe, yeah.
Yeah, like a place with comfort.
Into a reality.
Exactly.
But, even with a lottery win, you got to think about the practicalities.
Oh, for sure.
There's a lot more to it than just good intentions.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too, because I remember when we were doing research for this,
Yeah.
we found that a lot of lottery winners
Mm-hmm.
actually end up losing all their money.
It's true. It's kind of a cautionary tale.
Yeah.
Like that sudden wealth can be amazing, but it also comes with a whole new set of challenges.
Definitely, because I don't even know where to start.
Right.
I'd need a whole team of financial advisors to keep me from messing things up.
Yeah. It's wise to think about that.
Mm-hmm.
Even if you have good intentions, managing that much money requires some real expertise.
Oh, absolutely.
It's not as easy as just, spending it.
Totally. And speaking of spending it, one of my sources was talking about how they would travel the world.
Oh, nice.
Like Paris was at the top of their list. Yeah. And I get that.
Yeah.
Imagine all the amazing places you could go.
Absolutely. The experiences you could have.
Yeah. But here's something I thought was interesting.
Yeah.
Even after winning millions, some people were still talking about using coupons
Really?
and shopping on sale.
Wow.
It's like those habits are just ingrained in us.
That's so fascinating. It's like that deeper connection to frugality,
Totally.
even when you don't need to worry about money anymore.
It's like you can take the person out of the bargain bin,
Haha, right.
but you can't take the bargain bin out of the person.
Exactly.
Hmm.
Makes you wonder what parts of us stay the same, even with a big change like that.
Totally. Okay, and this one was so sweet. One person said they would adopt a bunch of dogs from the shelter
Oh, wow.
and build them luxury dog houses.
Ah, that's so heartwarming. It's like they want to use that money to make a positive impact.
I know. And not just on their own life, but on the lives of those dogs.
Exactly. It's
Yeah.
like winning isn't just about personal indulgence. It's about spreading that joy around.
Definitely.
Yeah.
It's about making a difference in the world.
That's really beautiful.
Yeah.
So it seems like these lottery dreams tell us a lot about our values and aspirations.
For
It's
sure.
not just about the money, but what you would do with it.
Totally. It's like a window into what people really want out of life.
Exactly. And it's interesting how a lot of those desires have to do with connecting with others, whether it's taking care of family, starting a business that brings people together,
Yeah.
or giving back to the community. It shows how important it is to feel like you belong.
It makes you realize that even if you won the lottery, you'd still want meaningful relationships and a sense of purpose.
Exactly. True fulfillment comes from finding joy in the everyday things,
Yeah.
nurturing your connections and doing things that give your life meaning.
I love that. Speaking of doing things, I really like that idea of someone opening a cafe.
Yeah,
It's such a classic dream.
it is.
But it shows how much people want to create something of their own. Bring people together and share something they love.
It really does. It's that entrepreneurial spirit, that desire to leave your mark on the world.
Totally. And it's a good reminder that even ordinary things can be fulfilling if you're
Yeah.
passionate about them.
Absolutely.
And then there's the travel bug. Imagine all the places you could go if money was no object.
Oh,
It's like the ultimate freedom and adventure.
It
You
is.
could really broaden your horizons,
Hmm.
experience different cultures, and make memories that would last a lifetime.
Couldn't agree more.
I can already picture myself walking the streets of Paris, eating all the delicious food,
Hmm.
and just soaking up all the art and history.
Or maybe relaxing on a beach in Hawaii, sipping a tropical drink.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Just listening to the waves.
Yeah, let's
It's
go.
amazing what's possible.
Seriously. And let's not forget about helping others.
Right.
A lot of people in our research talked about using their winnings to help people in need,
Yeah.
like supporting charities, funding research, or even just helping someone who's struggling.
That's really inspiring. It shows that when we have the means to make a difference, our compassion and generosity can really shine.
It does. And it shows that we understand we're all connected in some way.
Absolutely.
So it seems like these lottery dreams aren't just about the money. They're
Hmm.
about freedom, purpose, connection, and leaving a positive impact on the world.
I got it. It's a fascinating look into what people truly value,
It is.
both materially and emotionally.
And it makes you wonder, even if we never win the lottery, are there things we could do today to bring those dreams a little closer?
That's a great question. It's so easy to get lost in those what ifs.
Right.
But what about finding those little moments of joy and purpose in our everyday lives? It really makes you think, huh, like what would we actually prioritize if we didn't have to worry about money?
Right. It's like a challenge to think about what's really important to us.
Totally. Like maybe instead of dreaming about that big European vacation,
Uh-huh.
we could plan a smaller trip somewhere closer to home.
Oh, yeah, like a weekend getaway.
Exactly. Or maybe we could spend more time on a hobby we love.
Yeah. Or reconnect with friends and family we haven't seen in a while.
Those are all great ideas. It's about finding those little things that bring us joy.
And maybe, just maybe, buying that lottery ticket every now and then is a way to keep that dream alive.
Yeah, it's okay to dream big and imagine a better future.
Totally.
And who knows, maybe those daydreams can inspire us to take action and make some of those things happen.
Even without winning the lottery.
Exactly. It's about finding ways to bring those dreams a little closer to reality.
I like that. So it seems like these lottery dreams can actually teach us a lot about ourselves,
They really can.
even if we never win.
Absolutely.
It's all about perspective.
Well said. And on that note, a huge thank you to all our listeners for joining us on this deep dive into the world of lottery dreams,
We hope you enjoyed exploring these what ifs with us.
and that it gave you some things to think about.
As always, we encourage you to keep the conversation going.
What are some things that bring you joy in your everyday life? What dreams are you working towards?
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives like this one.
Until next time, keep dreaming big and remember to appreciate all the good things in your life.
See you next time.
It really is like, it makes you think about what's important, you know,
Yeah.
and how to find those things even without a huge windfall of cash.
Totally.
Yeah,
Like maybe we don't need to wait for a lottery win to do some of those things.
exactly.
Like instead of that big European vacation,
Mm-hmm.
maybe plan a weekend trip somewhere closer.
Yeah. Or maybe it's about rediscovering a hobby.
Yeah. Or reaching out to friends and family you haven't talked to in a while.
Exactly. Like those little things can make a big difference.
And hey, maybe buying a lottery ticket every once in a while
Yeah,
can help keep that hope alive.
totally. It's a reminder that it's okay to dream big.
For sure.
And you never know, those daydreams might inspire us to make some of them a reality.
Even without the lottery win.
Exactly.
So it seems like these lottery dreams can be a good way to think about what really matters to us.
Absolutely.
It's not all about the money.
Right. It's about freedom, purpose, connection,
Yeah.
all those things that make life meaningful.
Well said. And on that note, a big thank you to our listeners for joining us on this deep dive into the world of lottery dreams.
Thanks for listening, everyone.
We hope you enjoyed exploring these scenarios with us and that it gave you some food for thought.
What are some of the things that bring you joy in your everyday life?
What dreams are you working towards, big or small?
Let us know.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and insightful deep dives like this one.
Until next time, keep dreaming big.
See you later.
Thanks for joining the conversation here at Kaz English. We hope you found it fun and informative. Don't forget to check out kazapp.uk. That's kazapp.uk for more tips, resources, and interactive practice. Keep exploring, keep chatting, and we'll catch up with you again soon.